Ever wondered how your favorite sweater is made? Witness the magic as we craft your favorite sweater, stitch by stitch. Welcome to Monte Carlo Sweater Factory, where tradition meets innovation. First, we start with the finest raw materials. High-quality wool is carefully sourced, ensuring softness and durability for every sweater. Next, the wool undergoes a meticulous cleaning process, removing impurities and preparing it for carding. After washing, the wool fibers are carded to align them into a continuous web or sliver. Next, the wool fibers are drawn out into a long, narrow bundle called roving. The carded wool is then transformed into wool tops using specialized machinery. Now the wool top is dyed to give it a vibrant and long-lasting color. Our dyeing process ensures rich hues that won't fade over time. The carded fibers are then spun into even, smooth strands of yarn. Expert designers carefully finalize the design, ensuring every detail is perfect before our state-of-the-art automated machines bring the sweater to life. Now, the knitting begins. Talented artisans blend their expertise with innovative automated machinery. Watch as the sweater springs to life, taking on its lively shape. After knitting, the fabric is precisely cut before it undergoes stitching. Our expert tailors pay attention to every detail, ensuring perfect seams and a flawless finish. The nearly completed sweater dances into the rolling machine, preparing for a refined, flawless finish in its journey to completion. After rolling, an expert tailor skillfully stitches the neckline into the sweater, adding the final touch of craftsmanship and style. Every sweater undergoes a meticulous washing process to ensure it stays clean and maintains its fabric's integrity. Finally, each sweater undergoes a rigorous quality check. We examine every stitch, ensuring it meets our high standards before it reaches your wardrobe. Then undergoes precise ironing via steam pressing for a flawless finish. At Monte Carlo, it's not just about making sweaters. It's about creating pieces you'll cherish. From raw wool to the final product, each step is infused with passion and expertise. Thank you for choosing Monte Carlo, where every sweater is a testament to craftsmanship and care.